Now our next topic is reflection. First of all, the definition of reflection is the phenomena of bouncing back of light after striking a smooth polished surface in same medium. Now we take an example of reflection. We know that the upper portion of a wristwatch is very smooth. When sunlight strikes the upper portion of the wristwatch at some angle, it reflects back the light, right? This shows the reflection. Now in support of reflection, there is a diagram which shows how the reflection take place, right? We know that a ray is coming from a source of light. This is mirror and this upper portion is smooth and polished surface of mirror. A ray of light is coming from the source of light which is known as incident ray. It strikes on the mirror at this point and this point is known as point of incident. After striking this smooth surface, it reflects back in the same medium and this ray is known as reflected ray. This is the normal. We can also say that this is a perpendicular to the surface, right? And this is angle I, which is also known as angle of incidence. And this is angle R, this is known as angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is made by an incident ray and the normal, and the reflected angle of reflection is made by reflected ray and the normal. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Now we continue with laws of reflection. The first law is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, which means angle I is equal to angle R. जब भी कोई रे एक सर्टन एंगल पे स्ट्राइक करेगी मिरर के अपर पोर्शन को, जो एंगल वो बनाएगी विच इज़ एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. अगर कोई भी इंसिडेंट रे नॉर्मल के साथ 30 डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है तो एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस अगर 30 है तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन भी 30 होगा. और वट एवर बी द एंगल, मे बी इट इज़ 45, 90, वट एवर बी द एंगल ऑफ incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Now the second law is the incident ray, reflected ray and normal to the mirror all lie in the same plane. जो ये तीन चीज़ें हैं, incident ray, reflected ray and the normal to the surface of the mirror, they all lie in the same plane. इसको हम कैसे समझ सकते हैं? For example, this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, right? And this is the normal. They all are in same plane, right? अगर ये reflected ray ऐसे हो गई, they are not in same plane. They should be like this. अगर ये reflection show कर रहे हैं, it means incident ray, reflected ray and the normal, they all lie in the same plane, which shows the second law of reflection. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.